Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone 13 is updated and the carrier supports eSIM. This avoids activation failures. Next, insert the physical nano SIM into the tray so the phone recognizes one line. Once done, open Settings Cellular and choose Add Cellular Plan, then scan the carrier QR or enter the confirmation code. You're doing this now to register the eSIM profile. Don't skip carrier authentication, or the phone won't provision the second line. After the eSIM is provisioned, you need to configure which line does what. Go to Settings Cellular and tap each plan to label it. Call it primary or secondary so you can tell them apart. Then set the default voice line and which line handles cellular data. This affects iMessage, FaceTime, and app data usage. Make sure to enable Allow Cellular Data Switching if you want the phone to switch data automatically when coverage is poor. These choices control billing and call behavior, so choose deliberately. To finish, practice using both lines. When calling or messaging, you can pick the line per contact or change it mid-call in the phone app. Once done, monitor each plan's data and toggle a line off in Settings Cellular if you want to avoid roaming charges. If something goes wrong, restart the iPhone first, then try re-adding the eSIM by rescanning the QR or entering the code. If activation still fails, contact your carrier. Often they must enable eSIM on their backend before it will work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.